homie.
What up, kid?
Hello, good morning. I keep thinking these dogs are real though. But yo, tell me this shit not scary, bro. Shit's scary, right? Opening. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Oh, good morning. Check it out. Mopar. Hey, they don't understand the car life, yo. They haters. Motherfucker here. She's mad because my favorite dog is going home. Yeah, I'm exposing you. You're evil.
I like being evil. I hate Lily.
No, did you see? I'm gonna cut her off. So this. My nose is running. Gang. Oh, he just gone. What the fuck? He just. What the fuck? Hey, look. Hey. Okay, I'll blur your face out. You want to be in the vlog? No? Okay. We're leaving. Shenanigans!
Oh my.
And you want me to be in it or no?
Yeah, that's
I can blur you. Okay. I gotta give you the link to it. I be wildin'. I'm letting you know.
Oh, I know.
I be going crazy. Where's Jeremy? Ah! There go Babe. Oh, there she go. Look at her. What I do?
How old are you?
I can't tell you that because I just vlogged. look at her face.
I'll tell you later.
Hold up. I can bleep. Shh. I can talk. I can bleep it out.
Oh damn, I thought you were...
I was. My birthday was like...
You don't even look that old.
Not at all, right?
Why do you keep saying
Because
this?
it's so crazy.
Yeah.
Black does not crack, I guess.
Or brown. Yeah, hello. I'll put you on the vlog. And him, he thinks it's funny that my favorite dog is leaving.
I think it's hilarious.
What's she doing? Who's bought that? What would you get? What would you get?
That one. That one right there.
What the fuck?
Ruffles, cheddar, and sour cream.
Ew.
Yeah.
I feel like it
Or you got donuts. You got donuts.
Oh, we got donuts.
I don't think so.
Hey y'all, this is my baby mama.
I thought Lily was your baby mama.
Yeah, so
That's bestiality. But I never had like a bagel with blueberry. Hold up. What is this? It's called blueberry cream cheese. It's like a chocolate bagel. This shit is like fucking amazing. What the hell is she looking at? Come on, Lily. Why she always looking at people like that? What are you looking at?
She said you.
I love her. She's short bus.
Looking at you.
She's leaving me. Bus, bus. Bus, bus. That's all she cares about is damn balls. She's a wild animal. She's fucking wild. Look at her. Look at her. Shut up. Shut up. This is all she cares about is the fucking ball. Look at her. I love this dog. She don't love my back.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing, just